Right.
Dear students, we were discussing about the French, the government of Israel ordering for conducting a mission of inquiring about who are the clients and what has happened, how that Pegasus system, spyware system has been misused by the various clients of the that system. For that, I was telling to you, in India, we have the right to approach the Honorable Supreme Court directly for getting remedies whenever the rights are violated. But how practically it is happening, we can understand by considering an example of what was happened in respect of section 66A of chapter 11 of the Information Technology Act 2000. What has happened is, in the year 2015, this particular section 66A is held as unconstitutional since it is violative of Article 19(1), right to freedom of speech and expression of the Indian Constitution 1950. What is the case in which it is held as unconstitutional? Shreya Singhal versus Union of India, 2015, 5 SEC page 1. So all people thought this particular section 66A is not in force. So they can use their computer as a resource or communication device to send any information which is explained in that section 66A, and that is not an offense. But unfortunately, even after the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, in all the legal books, law books, it is mentioned as if that section is there. So what the police have done, they have registered several cases. Unfortunately or fortunately, in Hyderabad also, in combined Andhra Pradesh High Court, some person approached the Honorable High Court claiming that this particular section is not in force. So unnecessarily he is made an accused. So quash the FIR. Honorable High Court dismissed that writ petition. Of course, reasoning is not for the present necessary. Many people are claiming that this particular section 66A, though violative of Article 19(1) and held as unconstitutional, since it is there in statute book, that is being used by the police, definitely it is a misuse. Then one advocate, namely Kalanidhi, after finding that the Honorable High Court of Andhra Pradesh did not allow his writ petition, approached the Honorable Supreme Court and filed a writ petition to hold that section 66A, which is violative of the Constitution of India, Article 19(1), already held as unconstitutional, but police are still misusing it and filing cases under that section 66A. Unfortunately, the advocate who was representing this particular advocate, Kalanidhi, did not conduct the case properly and that was dismissed. Then what happened? the poor client, though he has got every right to claim that under Article 14, he is equal to all, and in 2015 already that particular section has held unconstitutional. So his case also must be allowed. He must be discharged from the case which is filed against him under section 66A. Thought that he got injustice, but he could not do anything. But fortunately, recently, about 1 month back or so, the present Chief Justice has took up a public interest litigation filed by some organization claiming that section 66A, which is held as unconstitutional, is being misused by the police and others, and filing several cases, making them as if that section is in force, and they are accused of that committing of that offense. Then the Honorable Supreme Court has called for the statistics of several courts, from several courts, and found that many courts, not only the police, even the magistrates, judges, they have taken up the cases under this section 66A offense when it is filed by the police. It is all because prompt action did not taken, the police did not take, not the police, Parliament, and also the persons who are publishing the books, and also the police and other enforceable authorities did not take action basing on the judgment of 2015, but they have otherwise used that section in order to trouble the people and violate the rights of fundamental rights of the citizens. So finally, now this section 66A is not in force, and the Supreme Court has held that if anybody uses this section 66A, appropriate and proper action will be taken against them. So what I would like to tell to all of you is that though we have right to privacy, but this particular right to privacy is being misused. And when you approach the honorable courts and getting orders also, still we are not able to get the justice. That's why every citizen must cautiously understand that some spywares are there which are misusing their technical knowledge and invading the various rights, including fundamental rights of the citizens. So we need to be careful and guard ourselves in respect of our rights. This is what I would like to tell today to all of you in respect of the implementation of section 66A of the Information Technology Act 2000, and also the Pegasus spyware and various countries' views and actions taken till today. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Shall we end the session? Next class lo continue చేద్దాం sir.
Okay, amma ఇది అయిపోయింది నా సైడ్ అయిపోయింది. ఈ టాపిక్ from my side it is over. We will have some other topic.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay.
Thank you very much.